In the bustling city of Nairobi, the story of Sarah and Simon KABU has been one of ambition, love, and public admiration. As co-founders of Bonfire Adventures, a leading tours and travel company, the KABUs represented a power couple that many aspired to emulate. Their entrepreneurial success was matched by their seemingly flawless relationship, often celebrated on social media as a beacon of modern partnership. But behind the polished image lay personal struggles that have now erupted into the public sphere. Sarah KABU recently announced her separation from Simon, citing irreconcilable differences. What followed has been a whirlwind of dramatic events, viral videos, accusations, and denials that have left Kenyans speculating about the truth behind the glamorous facade. The turning point came when Sarah KABU took to social media to reveal she had moved out of her matrimonial home. Sharing a video of her new residence in an upscale Nairobi neighborhood, believed to still be in Rwanda, Sarah described this move as necessary for her peace and well-being. "I needed a fresh start," she said, hinting at deep-seated issues in her marriage. Her announcement marked a clear shift in the narrative of a couple who had, until then, epitomized marital harmony. On the heels of her announcement came a viral CCTV video that further fueled the drama. The footage, reportedly captured in Sarah's former home, depicted an altercation between Sarah and an unidentified woman. In the video, Sarah appeared to hold an object resembling a knife while pushing the woman out of the house. Simon KABU is seen stepping in to calm the situation, attempting to prevent further escalation. The video sparked intense debate online. Some claimed the woman was Sarah's house help, while others suggested the incident pointed to deeper issues in the KABU's relationship. The clip quickly became a trending topic, with many questioning the dynamics of the couple's marriage. In response to the allegations, Sarah issued a strong denial. Taking to Instagram, she refuted claims that she assaulted the woman in the video or that the woman was her house help. "This is not my house, and that is not my house help," she declared, accusing her detractors of orchestrating a smear campaign. "Right now, there is a paid campaign to tarnish my name. I will not hide behind the keyboard. I will address this head-on." To bolster her claims, Sarah introduced her actual house managers, two long-serving employees who have been with her for 8 and 10 years, respectively. She contrasted their loyalty with the chaos portrayed in the viral footage, subtly hinting at a larger plot against her. While Sarah has been vocal about her side of the story, Simon KABU has maintained a more reserved stance. However, he did confirm Sarah's involvement in the altercation. In a rare comment, he lamented the state of their relationship, recalling the journey they shared in building Bonfire Adventures from scratch. "It's painful to see how far we've drifted," Simon said. Despite his subdued demeanor, his confirmation of the altercation added credibility to the video's authenticity, further complicating the narrative. The couple is currently embroiled in a divorce case at the KABU courts. Legal documents reveal allegations of infidelity and strained communication, with Sarah accusing Simon of being unfaithful. The proceedings have only intensified public interest, casting a spotlight on the challenges of mixing business with marriage. As expected, the drama has elicited mixed reactions. Some Kenyans have rallied behind Sarah, commending her for prioritizing her mental health and moving out of a troubled marriage. Others have criticized both Sarah and Simon for airing their personal struggles in such a public manner. Social media has played a pivotal role in shaping perceptions of the saga. The viral video, regardless of its origin, has become a focal point of discussion, with users dissecting every frame for clues. The incident underscores how digital platforms can amplify personal disputes, turning them into public spectacles. The KABU saga offers profound insights into the complexities of modern relationships, especially for couples in the public eye. Sarah and Simon's journey, from building a thriving business together to their current estrangement, highlights the challenges of balancing professional success with personal harmony. The incident also raises important questions about the role of social media in shaping narratives. For public figures, every action, intentional or otherwise, can be scrutinized and amplified, often distorting the truth. Sarah's decision to address the allegations directly, rather than retreating into silence, demonstrates the importance of controlling the narrative in an age where perception is everything. For years, the KABUs were celebrated as the ultimate power couple. Their story was one of shared ambition, mutual support, and entrepreneurial success. But recent events have tarnished that image, revealing cracks that many had overlooked. As the divorce case unfolds, the focus will likely shift to the future of Bonfire Adventures. Can the business thrive without the unity that once defined its founders? And what lessons can be learned from the KABU's experience? The story of Sarah and Simon KABU is still being written. As the legal battles continue and the public watches closely, one thing is clear. Their saga is a microcosm of the struggles many couples face, amplified by their prominence and success. For now, Sarah's move to her new home marks the beginning of a new chapter, one filled with uncertainty, but also the promise of rediscovery and growth. Whether their paths will converge again, personally or professionally, remains to be seen. But their story serves as a poignant reminder that even the most seemingly perfect relationships can face stormy seas.